Hello everybody, once again, my name is Chris with Stay Dry Roofing, and I'm here once again with
Trevor King.
the one and only Trevor King. And as you can tell, we are still in an attic, right? Now, Trevor, this has been an ongoing thing and it's been more prevalent over the past couple years. I know that you've had a lot of conversations with homeowners. They call us out, they have some of the concerns. If you've watched any of the other videos, a lot of people are just wanting to double check things. But there's some problems, okay? You found some concerns, plethora of reasons. Then the conversation is, what's best for my home? Should I do a full roof replacement or should I just do a repair? So in your advice, when is the right time to do a repair? When is the right time to do a replacement? What's that conversation like when you're talking to a homeowner about their home?
Well, I'll start by saying every home's different, but in reality, every homeowner's different. So for each homeowner, it's going to come down to, what's going to be the best way to solve their problems. And obviously working on your roof is never a fun process and never a cheap process. So you want to make sure that you're solving the major concern with the roof when you're going with the repair.
Now, obviously, even with repairs, okay, I mean, replacement's one thing. As you guys know, no one gets excited about it, right? But with a repair, there's the easy way to do a repair and there's the right way
Correct.
to do a repair. Pardon me. So when you're still looking at a repair, we're in an attic, it's dusty. Fantastic. Should probably be wearing our mask right now. But anyways, when you're looking at trying to solve a real problem, how do you try to diagnose what's the right way to do a repair?
Well, the right way to do a repair is to ensure that you're fixing the problem permanently so the roof can see the end of its lifespan. You shouldn't be doing a repair if it's going to be something you're addressing before looking at replacing the roof.
Okay. So again, when you're looking at a repair, you're not just being like, oh, I'll throw one shingle here, or I'll put some caulking on this. Now, that might be sometimes all that's necessary, correct? It might be. Mm-hmm. But when you're looking at something, you want to make sure you're going to solve the problem. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Now, do you still like getting in attic spaces for that type of repair aspect?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's I would say it's necessary to really know that you're going to be solving the problem. You don't know unless you can verify that it has or hasn't entered the attic space.
I gotcha. So if you're a homeowner out there and you have some concerns and you're looking at the reality of a full roof replacement, we know personally the last thing we want to do is solve one problem and create another.
Correct.
Okay, because roofs are not cheap. Let's just be honest. Okay. However, we always want to do what's best. So having Trevor out doing a real repair for something like this could be real beneficial, give homeowners the time to have the peace of mind, as well as solving the problem until the time is right for a full replacement. Would that be a fair assessment of kind of where you're at? Cool.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you guys so much. We'd love the opportunity to come talk with you. Again, you're never going to get a full pitch, meaning that we're going to force you to do something that maybe you don't want to do or that's not the family's budget. If you'd love to have Trevor come out, he can give you the real advice on the best repair necessary if that's what's best for your home. So Trevor, how can they get a hold of you if they'd love to have you come out and assess the situation that they have?
Well, they can always call or text my personal cell or check Facebook, as well as go to Stay Dry Roofing's website, and we got our numbers there.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much, and we'd love the opportunity to come partner with you in the future. Have a good one.